Guarda Wallet is a versatile, non-custodial wallet that allows you to store, send, receive, and manage multiple cryptocurrencies securely. Here's how to use it. Download and install Guarda Wallet. Visit the Guarda Wallet website or download the app from your app store. Choose the platform that suits you. Create or import a wallet. To create a new wallet, select Create Wallet, set a strong password, and securely save your backup file and recovery phrase. If you already have a wallet, select Restore Wallet and input your recovery phrase. Add cryptocurrencies. In the wallet interface, select the cryptocurrencies you want to manage. You can view your balances, add new coins, or manage tokens. Send and receive crypto. To receive, click on a cryptocurrency, select Receive, and share your wallet or QR code. To send, click Send, input the recipient's wallet address, specify the amount, and confirm the transaction. Exchange and stake. Guarda Wallet allows you to swap cryptocurrencies directly within the app. You can also stake supported coins to earn rewards.